Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to clear Instagram search history. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Instagram application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Instagram login ID and password. At the homepage of Instagram, you need to tap on the search icon on the bottom of the left corner. Now here you need to tap on the search bar. There you can see the search history. Now to delete or to clear the search history, you have two options. You can clear it one by one or you can clear all at once. To remove only one search, you tap on the cross beside of the name and there you can see the search has been removed. Now to remove all at once, you need to tap on see all. There at the right side, you can see the option of clear all. You tap on clear all. Here you won't be able to undo this. You tap on clear all and with that all the search history has been removed at once. This is how you can clear your Instagram search history. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to clear Instagram search history. Thank you.